Alright, man. Alright, man. Alright, man, this life is exciting. I just got lit. Every time I'm in this bitch, I drop an extra hit, a new fucking hit. I'm feeling very sick. I'm feeling like I'm living in a motherfucking trip, like I'm on acid. I burn you, smell bad like plastic. Yeah, I'm the last motherfucker and you the last bitch in this fucking room, so let's fuck tonight. I know you little fucked up, I know you might be pretty fucking horny when you look at fucking me, cause I'm really fucking G and I'm way too supreme for motherfuckers acting like they straight up motherfucking OGs. Blow me, you just fucking phony, taste bad like bologna. But my weed tastes good all the motherfucking time, cause it's that dank. This ain't no prank. Motherfuckers think that this ain't what it fucking ain't, but it fucking is what it is. And I'm handling my biz, handling with scandalous niggas with their hands on the trigs. Maybe my family's kinda big, nah it ain't, it is small. But all my motherfuckers like to do is ball, get their money up, living fucking right in a motherfucking mansion. 3 fucking stories, how many rooms? 40. I don't give a fuck, man. I'ma do it fucking big when I fucking get paid big. Empty your bank account every time I wanna catch a check. Might have to call up all the motherfucking transport just to send the cash to me, because I'm the last fucking G in this motherfucker. So please, motherfucker, when I'm burning rubber, driving down the streets, and I'm a humper your fucking girl. Got a feeling like this a crazy fucking world. It's all gonna spot, it's all gonna swirl. Gone, spinning like a hurl, about to fucking hurl up all this fucking flows, all this spitting shit out my fucking nose. That's like blood, motherfuckers bloody, that pussy yummy, yeah. Get high, had the munchies, watch out for dumpties, nigga try to dump me. I am on something when I'm fucking running, and I'm fucking jumping on this shit with the music pumping, pistol thumping. Maybe I just might bump into your bitch and fuck her. And one night might just take a fucking trip to another fucking country dip, yeah. And I'm looking through the glass, what the fuck do I see? I see your fucking ass. When I was in court going back to the fucking jail cell, I seen this fucking ass, a motherfucker I might have blasted when I robbed him. I'm looking like a goblin, problem fucking solving. Ain't at the bottom, but I'm fucking rotten when I'm fucking stocking up on my thing like this the only option. Motherfuckers copping out to the time, hell nah, I ain't gonna take that fucking time. I'ma get on my grind and handle this probation like it's fine, no problem. Fuck it, no problem. No problem, we got no problem.
Alright. Hey, I had the story in my head, man, that I was back in the old school with the plan. I had a badass import with my homie on the side, hitting them drift parts. Man, everywhere we roll, running red lights, slinging up all the fucking green and dough. Man, I'ma get high as fuck, get faded with the fucking plan. In my head still going on my G shit, walk around in front of cops, faded, feeling good as fuck. Gonna say, fuck you, nigga, I don't like you. Pig ass bacon motherfuckers get crunk. With me, chillin' at the fucking old school, naming ooh, I'ma hit this whole code up once again, back in school, hitting that hoe at fucking school, doing the good right thing, cause I didn't pass my senior year because I was locked up in fucking North Tower for 2 months, hit up West Tower, started getting my weight up, getting that fucking power, walked around the tank, dry ass, checking niggas, cause they acting like little bitches, I'ma fucking feel it, in my system when I get that 2 shots of gunpowder in my system with the fucking honey bun, chillin' with my old school cell, B-cell on West Tower 7th floor, I'ma go hell, I'm a fucking trustee, walking out, working in the crazy tanks, fucking up everybody if they try and jump on me while I'm cleaning their fucking shit. I don't give a fuck, my boss got my back. He sees I take my care of myself. Going to the cell, hitting that hell. I see old school penitentiary niggas trying to check me, but I don't give a fuck. Gotta rise up just in case I went down. 8 years, 10 into the state penitentiary in the fucking ground. Don't know when I'll come back. Somebody might snap. I'ma fucking snap your neck. Don't get that murder charge. Don't wanna do it, but it's gonna happen if they start something with me. me, cause I don't give a fuck how big you are. Be 300 pounds, I'ma get drunk in your face. I'ma fucking go, I'ma fucking plant my fist in your fucking toe. You gonna feel it when I come, cause I'm fucking knock that bitch in the back of your fucking spine. Get crunk, knock that shit out with my homie G. Reed, get lucky, get pit on the same fucking field. Healing up all fucking Dallas, Texas when we get back and get crunk. I'ma get drunk and high. I'ma hit up all the bitches while I get high. Gonna go to the club, hit it up with Reed. Right when he gets out, I'ma throw him a big ass party. Back at my mansion when I got out. I have everything I've inherited when my family fell out. I don't give a fuck, cause I gave them their braces and paid them all off with that fucking big chunk.
Another classic bitch.